Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Sanita and today we're going to do some intense English speaking practice in just 15 minutes. Yeah, you heard me right. 15 minutes to level up your English speaking skills. If you're ready to speak more confidently and fluently, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell so you won't miss any of our lessons. Now, let's dive in, and by the end of this video, you'll feel more comfortable speaking English, even if you're just beginning. By the way, before we begin, let me know in the comments below, what is the hardest part of speaking for you? I'll make sure to read every comment and give you suggestions based on what you say. All right, let's go. Let's begin by warming up. Speaking English is like exercising a muscle. The more you practice, the easier it gets. So let's start with a simple icebreaker exercise. I'll say a phrase and I want you to repeat after me. Ready? Here we go. Hello, how are you today? Great job. I'm excited to practice English with you. It's a beautiful day to speak English. Great job. Now let's change it a little bit. I'll say a sentence and you'll say it faster and more comfortably each time. This helps you get more comfortable with the rhyme of speaking. Let's try. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. English is a fun language to learn. English is a fun language to learn. English is a fun language to learn. All right, now let's practice some useful vocabularies you use in everyday conversations. I'll give you a few words and phrases and you'll repeat them after me. Pay attention to the pronunciation. Busy, busy. Excited, excited. Fascinating, fascinating. Complicated, complicated. Common, common. Let's use these words in sentences. I'll say one and I want you to repeat it. Here we go. I'm busy right now, but I'll call you later. That movie was really exciting. She has a fascinating story to tell. The instructions were too complicated. It's a common mistake to make. Perfect. Now I want you to try creating your own sentences with these words. Pause the video and give it a try. Don't be shy. I'll be waiting here. Now, let's dive in some real-world conversation practice. I'll ask you some questions and I want you to answer as if we're talking face-to-face. Ready? What's your favorite thing to do in the weekend? Can you tell me about your favorite movie or book? How do you usually spend your day? What's your favorite routine? Mm. If you could visit any country, where would you go and why? Take your time to answer out loud and really focus on speaking clearly. Don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we learn, right? Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. One quick tip. If you're struggling to find words while speaking, don't panic. Pause for a moment, take a deep breath, and use simple words. The key is to communication, not perfection. Now, let's work on improving your pronunciation. I'll say some sentences with challenging sounds, and I want you to repeat them after me. Ready? Here we go. She sells by the seashore. How much wood would a woodchuck chalk if a woodchuck could chalk wood? I thought the weather was lovely today. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Pronunciation takes practice. But if you keep practicing these tongue twisters, your speaking will get clearer. Now it's time for a speaking challenge. I'll give you a sentence with a missing word and I want you to say it out loud with the correct word. Ready? I reading books in my free time. Great. My favorite subject in school was I to visit Paris one day. Remember, these sentences help you practice not just pronunciation, but also how to build sentences in English. Try to say them as correctly and quickly as you can. Awesome job! You've just completed 15 minutes of English speaking practice. I hope you're feeling more confident with your English. If you're still watching, it means you're really serious about improving your English. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any lesson. And leave a comment down below with your favorite part of this practice session. I'd love to hear how you're improving. Also, check out some of my other videos right here to continue your learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video.